Hey guys, what's up? So you probably noticed we changed the DailyDAV opener and thumbnail. That's not because we started our pre-sale, and that's also not because we reached 1,000 subscribers, although that is worth mentioning. Today we launched a new website with our new brand design, which looks awesome. You should go and check it out. Props to the team who've been working on it really hard lately. Yesterday I finished the trendy video, the one with the Sweden delegation, and uploaded it, so you should go and check that out as well. Today I'll start working on the video we shot at Houston, so stay tuned.
Hello everybody, Joe Lopardo here. So yesterday was really a lot of work around getting the website to the right point, a little bit around paid advertising, but mostly just the big brand relaunch and website relaunch that is happened and has happened this morning. So right now, if you were to go to DAV.network, you're going to see our totally new website, all the branding matches up, so really excited with the progress. The whole team did a ton of work towards this, so finally the day has come. A lot of great work all around. Today's been just making sure that that's on par with everything. We also had an executive meeting this morning, and another good news, we also signed a really awesome advisor on. Can't speak too much about that yet, but you'll see an announcement about that in the next week or two. Thanks everybody, enjoy your Tuesday.
Hi guys, so yesterday I completed the first version of the vehicle locating communication protocol, and I started implementing the new design onto our different channels. So first the developer portal, and now that we have the new website, which was launched today, we started adding all the new design and images onto our different channels, YouTube, Twitter, and etc. And I also focused today on the new missions app. So up until now we only had drone missions. Now we're going to have boat missions as well. So created the spec for this new section inside the app, and continuing to be focusing on that today. This is it. Thanks.
Hi everyone. Today I'll make a few tasks. At first, all social channels: Facebook, Twitter, Media, YouTube, Reddit and LinkedIn. After then, I'll make several sites, our new amazing logo and pre-sale graphic. And after then, I'll continue work at our illustration for communication protocol. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.